On September 18th, the Department of Agriculture and Rural Development collaborated with the Center for Environmental Science and Ecology to review the mangrove conservation project in Ben Tre. This project, running from September 2023 to September 2024, has successfully restored 5 hectares of mangroves, planting 14,000 Sonneratia trees in the Ba Lai estuary of Thuan commune, Binh Dai district, with a tree survival rate of 95%. The project initiative also established community mangrove nurseries, involving 14 households in mangrove nurseries and maintenance activities, along with providing technical training to improve their skills. Additionally, provincial forestry officials received training to improve sustainable mangrove management, which included an Overall, the project has bolstered local officials' capacities, increased community awareness, and encouraged participatory efforts in mangrove conservation. Leaders from the Provincial Department of Agriculture and Rural Development praised the project, noting that despite its small scale, it had a significant community impact and yielded positive results. It highlighted effective community involvement in mangrove restoration, which improved local household incomes and awareness of mangrove conservation efforts. The project's achievements pave the way for expanding community-based approaches and further enhancing the expertise of local forestry staff through international learning opportunities. These initiatives are essential for tackling the Mekong Delta's climate change and coastal erosion challenges.
Một cái hàng số không thôi. Có. Không biết đâu. 8 giờ gì. Dự ra ngoài rồi. Có đường giao mà, có đi tới đường này. Lắm.